Backup vocals can add a lot of depth and strength to a worship team, but they can also muddy the mix if you're not careful. The challenge often comes when you try to make every single vocalist sound perfect and have their own place in the mix, but this isn't always the best way to approach mixing backup vocals. So let me give you some tips for EQing backup vocals. This video is brought to you by Behringer X32 Mastery, the fastest way for church sound techs to master the X32. And with a team license, you can enroll unlimited team members now and in the future. Finally, everyone will be on the same page. Visit x32.church or click the link in the description to learn more. Now, the tips I'm about to go over actually came from a good friend of mine, James Wasson. He's the author of Great Church Sound, a book I highly recommend picking up on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. Now, often the best thing you can do for a great vocal team sound is take away some of the presence of the backup vocals. I know this sounds a little bit strange, but there's a bigger concept to consider. You see, the worship leader or the lead vocalist should almost always stand out as the primary voice in the mix. Of course, this depends on your worship style and leadership preference. But by adding more clarity and separation in your backup vocal mix, you're actually forcing them to compete with the lead vocal. Now, a lot of the vocal presence is found in the high mids range, around 800 Hz to 4 kHz. So if you want to blend the backup vocals and allow the lead vocals to shine through the mix, try a wide cut using a low Q value around 2, somewhere in this high mid range. Alternatively, you can try rolling off some of the highs with a high shelf filter to keep the background vocals out of the way of the lead vocal. Now, this trick might not work for every worship team or style, but blending the backup vocals can thicken up the overall vocal sound while being less distracting in the mix. So experiment with this EQ tip by putting all of your backup vocals in a subgroup and then EQ that group, or EQ each individual vocal mic channel. Now, if you find yourself overwhelmed with EQ, James Wasson and I created a course just for you. Get everything you need and nothing you don't to feel comfortable and confident as you're adjusting those EQ filters. Learn more about the EQ crash course at collaborateworship.com/EQ. I'll also include a link in the description. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the little bell so that we can let you know when a new video comes out. I'll see you next time.